Hey guys, and welcome back to our declutter series. Hopefully, I think we should have like one or two more videos. It'll either be this one or this one and another one. So we just have lashes left to do, which honestly there's probably not going to be a whole lot. Then we have like eye products, then we have palettes. And we have obviously the rest of lips, but I'm going to film like an actual lip swatch video for the rest of those. So let's get into lashes. I have had a big lash clean out like semi recently, and most of the lashes I have are fairly new. I'm not going to get rid of any of my Pilates ones over at the back because they're all quite new. These are also going to stay. These Pilates lashes are also really new. Then we have these from Doll Beauty, which can both stay. They're alright. I've had these ones for a little while, so I feel like they might be ready to go, to be honest. I think I'm going to declutter both of the pairs from Cavilla Lash. I'm not saying that wrong. I never know how to say it. Cavalli? I don't know. I honestly love these lashes so much. These were sent to me a couple of years ago, and I had like quite a few pairs, but yeah, absolutely loved them. I thought they were such great lashes. These ones are in Maui and Carly, sorry. But yeah, these have been used up. They honestly probably still have a couple of uses in them, but I have a lot of new lashes and they're just getting a little bit like dirty now, so I'm gonna put those in a bin. And I've got these. And I think all of these are pretty good, pretty right to stay, to be honest. These are all the Glamlight and Michaela lashes. So yeah, all of those are good to go for now. I didn't think there'd be many lashes to get rid of. In saying that, I think there's some floating around my desk that I do need to get rid of. Yeah, we'll get to that soon. I've just got a box of makeup down to the left, and I've also got some makeup on my desk that we also need to go through. But I don't think a lot of that is going to be decluttered because obviously it's stuff that I've been using recently. So coming along here, this is where I keep all of like my eye products. So all these glitters at the back are going to stay. I don't typically use them on my eyes. These are the Beauty Creations glitters, but I do use them like for Halloween looks and things like that. So I feel like I like to keep them. And also I've used them like before, like doing my nails and things like that. So, and then these are also glitters from Festival Face, and this is the same kind of deal. I'm going to keep all of those glitters there. This is a Colourpop one, which can stay. That's really pretty. That's Crystal Cave. Then I've got these two matte pigments, which I like. I like my Super Shot shadows from Colourpop. All of those can stay, but I'm gonna guess that these are dried up. Mojave Moves is definitely, which I'm really sad about because I love this so much. This is one of the Jelly Matte shadows from Colourpop, and I love this shade, but they dry up really quick. And this one's Keep It Crisp, so I'm just gonna have a quick look and yeah, that's gone hard. So those two will be a bin moment. This one's new. I only got it in February, so that one can stay. This is all love, so pretty, such a beautiful shade. And then I've got this Kylie one. This is like just a pigment as well, and this is in Dime Piece. Then I've got just a Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed and a BH Cosmetics pigment. So all of those are pretty good to stay. Coming over here, these are recent, so they're fine. I probably honestly need to swatch all of these. So I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pull this tray out. Actually, I'm just going to pull out my liquid liners and these type of products. These things back here are fine to stay. These are water activated liners. I'll try out my P. Louise shadows, see if they're okay. I'm going to keep all of my P. Louise bases. They're fine. Yeah, so let's swatch all of these and go from there. Alright, let's swatch. So I'm going to start off quickly with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal liners. These are some of like my all-time favourites. I think they're absolutely stunning. So I have Pyro and Grind here. And they're just so pretty. They must be getting so old now, but I'm going to use these until the death, to be honest, because I'm just so obsessed with them. I think they're absolutely stunning. One of my all-time favourites. These are so old, but I do really enjoy these. These are the BH Cosmetics eye lights. So we have Gal Pow and Fresh. So I'll swatch Gal Pow first. It's honestly kind of getting, like, they're still so pretty, but I'm just wondering, I'll keep them for now. They're probably something that's going to have to go like at the end of the year type of thing. So anyway, I'm hoping these should still be pretty good because these are relatively new. I got these maybe about a year ago, I think. These are the e.l.f. just like glitter eyeshadows. This is 24K gold. Those are so pretty actually, aren't they? You know what? I feel like I've got the e.l.f. ones, so maybe I'll just get rid of these BH Cosmetics ones because these honestly would probably be at least 4 or 5 years old, I reckon, if not older. So these are meant to, you're only meant to use these for 3 months. Whoops, okay, I'm gonna put those in the bin, that's fine. I do really love the highlights. They're great. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but if they do, I really enjoy them. They're really nice and they're super affordable. I do like BH Cosmetics. I haven't got anything from them in a while. This is Flirty Birdie from e.l.f. So pretty. Then we have Copper Pop and Pinky Swear. So pretty. Love those. Aren't they just so nice and so reflective? So yeah, I do really enjoy those as well from e.l.f. These are from XO Beauty. These are eye halos. I think these are kind of relatively new as well. At least, yeah, like a year to like a year and a half. So actually, I feel like that's actually not like, you know, compared to some of the makeup I've got, it's new. So this is Pinch, real pretty, and Luna. I feel like these ones aren't as full on as like the e.l.f. ones, but they're still really nice and pretty. Okay, so they can stay as well. Alright, let's swatch some of these. Okay, I'm going to keep all of these ones here. They all still seem to swatch okay, so actually I'm going to get rid of this as well, to be honest, because I didn't like it. And then I'm going to get rid of these. So I'm getting rid of my Colourpop ones only because they're super old and I feel like they still are swatching okay, but I can tell that they're kind of lacking a little bit of pigmentation, and I'm like, I'm just going to get rid of them because yeah, they're super old. And yeah, and then I'm also going to get rid of my Too Faced one because yeah, that's once again kind of like lacking a bit of pigmentation just because it's old. But I do really enjoy the BFF liners from Colourpop, and I also really like the Better Than Sex liner from Too Faced as well. When like you can obviously see I've got quite a few black liners, but when I don't have as many, these are definitely things that I'd look into repurchasing. I didn't really enjoy this, the Peaches and Cream eyeliner. It just wasn't really for me, so yeah, these three I'm going to put in the bin, and then the Peaches and Cream I'm going to pass it. Now we do need to sort stuff back into the drawer, but while we're down here in this position, let's start going through our eyeshadow palettes. I don't know how many we're going to get rid of. I'm kind of stressed, I'm not going to lie, but let's just start going through them, and yeah, there might be a couple we get rid of. I don't know. I honestly don't even know what I have got these days. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it does look like a lot of my palettes are P. Louise palettes, and I can already like preface this video saying that I'm not gonna be getting rid of any of my P. Louise palettes. I'm sorry, I'm just not. So let's just start. First one here is this is Colourpop and Sailor Moon. So beautiful. I tried this one out recently and yeah, love it. That can stay. These are the P. Louise Give Me Butterflies palette. Oh, You Give Me Butterflies palette, sorry. There's 5 different colorways and I've done individual videos on each of these. This is Moonlit Meadow. How pretty. Then we have Totally Toadstool. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, the Divine Neutrals. It is a really pretty palette, but I'm gonna get rid of that one. This is Hello Kitty and Colourpop. It's really cute, it honestly is, but I think I'm honestly probably gonna pass this one along as well. Don't need it, as cute as it is. Glamlight Icy palette, Icy Cherry. It's actually such a pretty palette, so I'll keep that for now. This is the Colourpop Lizzie McGuire palette, the What Dreams Are Made Of. So cute. Peel Aways But Does It Could Be Pink. How pretty is this palette? Like, it's actually just stunning. I can't. This is the Glamlight and Michaela palette. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. It's a really nice colour story, I can't lie. It's very, very pretty. I never thought that this day would come because I used to just always keep this because it's good for like Halloween and stuff, but I've got so many colourful palettes now that like we're gonna be fine. This is the James Charles and Morphe palette. This one is extremely well loved, as you can probably see. Actually, when I say that, it's only really the red shade. Like, I feel like I've had a fair go in like the other shades as well, but anyway. So yeah, this one I will be passing along. I've got a couple more of these You Give Me Butterfly palettes. This is Woodland Willow, which I'm sure you guys can already tell love. This is Buttercup Blossom. Stunning. We'll go through a couple of Colourpop palettes. This is Going Coconuts. I do really enjoy this palette. I think it's really, really pretty. It's very messy at the moment, but I do really enjoy this palette. We have Glamlight and Barbie. How pretty and fun is this palette? Like, oh, obsessed. Then we have the Colourpop and Mandalorian palette. Wait, yeah, Colourpop and Mandalorian palette. So cute. This is the little Gemini palette from Colourpop. It's called Semi Precious Gemini, and I probably, honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to use it again, but I just can't get rid of it because it's Gemini and that's me. So, Glamlight and Rick and Morty palette. I actually love this palette so much. Like, how fun and cool is this palette? Like, it actually makes my heart so happy looking at this. Like, I honestly feel like turning the camera off right now and going and putting this on my face, but I won't. Colourpop Making Moves. Yeah, I do like this palette. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, oh my god. I think that's where we're gonna call it for today, guys. I think next time we'll go through the rest of the palettes. We'll put the eye stuff away, go through those last couple of products that I have like on my desk and stuff, and then the declutter series will be over. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.